In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Firebase project safely. If you've decided a Firebase project is no longer needed, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it from your account, along with a few tips so you don't accidentally delete the wrong thing. Keep in mind, you'll need the right permissions to do this. Typically, project owner access and deletion is permanent, so proceed carefully. First, sign into the Firebase console. Make sure you're in the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple environments like development, staging, and production. It's a good habit to pause here and confirm you truly want this project gone, because once it's deleted, associated Firebase services and data will be disabled and removed. After signing in, you'll see your project list. Click the project you intend to delete. Double-check the project name and environment tags if you use them. It's easy to mix up similarly named projects, so take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one. With the project open, look to the left sidebar. Next to Project Overview, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Project Settings. This opens the General tab, which contains your project's core information and controls. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the General tab and click Delete Project. Don't worry, this click doesn't delete anything yet. It opens a confirmation window designed to ensure you understand the impact. In the confirmation window, carefully read each statement about what will be disabled and deleted. You'll be asked to select all the checkboxes to acknowledge the consequences. This typically includes the removal of Firebase resources like databases, storage, hosting sites, OAuth configurations, and other connected services. Checking each box confirms you understand the scope of the action. You'll then be prompted to enter the project ID to confirm the deletion. The project ID is shown on this same page in your project details. It's not the display name, it's the unique identifier. Copy and paste it if you want to avoid typos, and verify it matches exactly. When everything is confirmed, click Delete Project to initiate the deletion. The process may take a few minutes, and you might see the project marked as pending deletion. Once complete, the project and its Firebase services will be removed and cannot be restored. That's it. You've successfully initiated a safe, deliberate deletion of a Firebase project. Take your time with the confirmations and only proceed when you're absolutely sure.